If you keep buying the same fertilizer from the same box store every year, but not getting the results that you want, this video is for you.
Welcome to
The longest yard.
I like to party, I'm Rod.
No, you're Kevin.
Right, Kevin. I party.
You know a lot about golf.
I know even more about grass.
You just pull landscaping duty.
You guys ever need fertilizer? I've got a lot of it.
Let the master show you how to get it done.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Then let's get to work.
All right.
Gonna help me do a soil test? I was like you, and I would go to the box store every single year and get the same fertilizer, and then I wouldn't see the results I wanted in my lawn. My grass was not green enough, not growing fast enough, not doing the things that I wanted. And the reason why is because of the soil. The best results for your lawn is knowing what your soil needs. In order to know what your soil needs, you've got to do a soil test. Finding out exactly what your soil has in it nutritionally is the best way to choose your fertilizer. Doing the soil test is the easy part. Order soil test. I got mine from the Andersons. It comes pre-packaged, it comes with a scooper, comes with a pre-marked bag so you can ship it straight to the facility. What you want to do is you want to go around to 5, 8, 10 different locations, pull a core sample, put those core samples into a bag or into the box, shake it up. That way you get a combination of all the soil in your lawn. Once you have all the soil mixed together, then you want to pull out all the blades of grass, all the roots that you might have gotten, rocks, sticks, pine needles, leaves, whatever else is inside that box you want to pull out, because that is going to have an effect on your actual results. Once you get it mixed up, once you get all the debris out, then you can use the scooper, put it in the jar. Do not take the liquid out of the jar. Put it in the envelope that they give you and then send it off. It's that easy. I'll get an email in about a week and it shows my results. The other thing that's really important is don't put down a fertilizer before you do your soil test. You need to do your soil test right out of winter. That way you get the most raw results. You don't want to have fertilizer in your soil already, because that is going to throw your results off drastically.
This is my nightmare.
How to find the best fertilizer based off your results. Finding the best fertilizer is easy. Don't go to the big box store. Do a little research, do a little Googling. Find out what fertilizer you need based off your results. Find the best numbers for you. There's a ton of different websites that sell fertilizer that deliver straight to you. Anderson's is my go-to. That's my favorite kind of fertilizer. Simple Lawn Solutions, Grow Forge, Let's Go. Yard Mastery has a ton of fertilizer that gets shipped right to your door.
You guys ever need fertilizer? I've got a lot of it.
Let's take a look at my soil sample. As you can see, my nitrogen and my potassium are low. With my phosphorus being very high, I need to find fertilizer that's only high in nitrogen and potassium. That is how easy a soil test can be, and that is how easy it is to get the right fertilizer for your lawn. Each lawn is going to be different across the country, across the world. You can't just go to the box store, buy the 4-step process, and expect your lawn to be the best one in the neighborhood. You have to do a little bit more digging and a little bit more research, and then if you choose the right fertilizer for your lawn, you'll have the best lawn in the neighborhood. Guarantee. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below. Tell me if you guys are going to do a soil test this year. Tell me what your favorite fertilizer is to use this year, and I will see you in the lawn, or I'll see you on another time.